I'm Astrid.
Hi, I'm Stefan.
And we make up Adventures with Astrid. I'm super excited to have you come with us on so many adventures. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. All right, so we are leaving Zurich today.
Guten Morgen.
Where are we headed?
We are on our way to Grindelwald today via train.
Yeah.
And we get to go through Interlaken on the way.
Yeah, so where yesterday we were in Bern, we're actually going back there. It's almost the exact same train. So
Yeah.
we'll go here to Bern, Bern to Interlaken, Interlaken to Grindelwald. So we're gonna go up into the mountains today, and you have all the as if the mountains weren't big enough already. We get all the really big mountains. We have the Eiger, we have the Jungfraujoch, we have just everything. So now's the big mountain phase of the trip.
And we were told this morning how lucky we are that we've had recent snowfall, but it is warm enough that the sun's out most of the time and isn't bitterly cold. So our what do we call it? Hostess at the hotel is very much like jealous we get to go out into the mountains in the middle of the week. So we feel very lucky.
Yeah, so good stuff. I'm gonna kind of look out the window here as we
Industrial part of town.
kind of industrial part of Zurich, but that's all right.
But look at all those trains, guys. You don't need to take a car. Come take a train. Again, Swiss Pass is really awesome.
Train now from Bern to Interlaken, and you can see getting more and more towards the mountains.
Beautiful.
And we sat in the dining car to get cafe.
Cafe?
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Right.
please.
All right, so. All right, so here's our hotel room here at the Sunstar in Grindelwald. Nice place. It looks great. It's not big, but we don't plan on spending a lot of time in it.
Because all the action's out there.
But here, we're going to turn slowly so we can open the door. Here's our view directly out our balcony.
Who needs a bed when you could just be out here?
Yeah, right here on the end. It's just beautiful, and all the rest of the mountains go back that
And
way.
all of these low houses where we have no obstruction.
And a parasailer directly over our head right at the moment. There was a bunch of advertisements we passed on the way up from the train station. It's not a small walk, it's about a 10-minute walk.
But not bad.
Not bad at all. And the weather couldn't be better. It's like so beautiful. We're like, oh, we're kind of warm from hiking up. So, just gorgeous.
Wow, they're wrapped around all over here.
So let's give you
There's a parasailer even closer.
the view here. We'll come around the edge. Let's see. Oh, sure enough, there it goes. Yep.
This has the quick escape plan. Just over the top.
So if we have
See,
to,
he shows the man running. This way to get away.
if we have to, we have our escape routes, if need be. To sleep and dash.